Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Charise from the Huntley Area Public Library. And for today's story time, I have The Biggest Kiss by Joanna Walsh and Judi Abbot. With permission from Simon and Schuster. Kisses on noses, kisses on toeses, sudden kisses when you least supposes. Who likes to kiss? I do, even the shy do. Why not try to? Frogs like to kiss, and dogs like to kiss. Enormous elephants do. Teeny tiny ants do. Do worms kiss underground with the soil all around? Do fish kiss like this? Splosh, splash, splish? Some kisses are misses. They land on the ear or near. But kisses with lipstick stick like a kiss with honey, a kiss that's yummy, a kiss on the elbow, a kiss on the tummy. The rain's kiss on your skin is fun. The snow's kiss on your face is ace. And brr, it's cold. The tallest kiss is a tricky kind. The smallest kiss is hard to find. Little ladybugs. Bye-bye kisses, fly-high kisses, eye-dry kisses, all my kisses. I wish for a kiss before breakfast to start the day right, and a kiss at the end to say good night. I've had all these kisses and lots more too, but the very best kiss is a kiss from you. I hope you liked The Biggest Kiss, and we'll see you at the library soon. Bye.